Why did you choose English fantasy?
Oh, that's a great question. I chose English fantasy because they provide a good environment for achieving English. Without environment, English is not easy. If you thinking English is a language, then you have to need an environment.
Right.
Without environment, how you will achieve English? If you talk your home in English, then it is not your good environment, because when you come here, then you will achieve this environment, then you will be day by day pro in English, right? Me.
Thank you. Before coming to English fantasy, could you speak English?
Actually not. I wasn't good in English. When I chose this English fantasy, they provide a good environment, and day by day I'm going well, and right now I can speak properly, and I'm very confident with English.